Whisper to me those sweet nothings of tomorrow. For a second is something in which can bring happiness or sorrow. Dwell with me in this moment, for this is the only moment. The past and the future do not matter in the sense that they are not happening in the present. You cannot completely control what will be or change what has been. Sit with me, speak your mind, speak what you feel deep down inside. Conversation is a key to unlock the door to true happiness. Genuine human connection. Embrace your senses, embrace your feelings and thoughts. Open your eyes, your mind, and your heart. Wow. Isn't this amazing? What you see, what you feel, what you hear, taste, and smell. There is beauty all around you. Clean your society-tainted glasses and then tell me what you see. True natural beauty staring back at me. Look at that puddle, look at that river, look at the ocean. Feel the bed sheets, feel the warmth, feel the cold. Hear that bird, hear them speak, hear your voice. Taste that meal, taste that drink, taste those lips. Smell the rain, smell those flowers, smell that food. How breathtakingly amazing is everything. To be aware of your surroundings, to be aware of your feelings, to be aware. To be one with the people you love, to be one with your surroundings, to be one. Spiritual connection, love and affection, appreciation for all creation.